I hear the main characters, around 4 or 5 of them, are all Africans. That's a very important statement to the world. That a comic series, Marvel Studios, could have a movie entirely based on African characters. That is so nice. It's gonna turn away some of these stereotypes we have about Africans.
Me personally, I feel privileged to have to watch the movie here in Kisumu, here in Africa. And Lupita Nyong'o is one of our own. She's our daughter, the daughter of Kisumu, the daughter of our governor. So we feel privileged.